Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will learn how a lender can upload their purchase contract if they have not uploaded it during the appraisal order form. So I will guide you through each steps. So first of all, as you can see, we are on the dashboard of a lender user Neil Armstrong. I have to go towards the appraisal orders and click on one of the appraisal order. I have to upload the purchase contract. Then from over here, as you can see, we can overview the details of that particular appraisal order. I need to go towards the documents tab. As you can see, there is no document has been uploaded. Purchase contract is mandatory, so it needs to be uploaded before the appraisal report can be submitted. So for that, what you need to do is you have to click on this and choose the contract, and you have to upload or drop your file over here. I have selected an appraisal purchase contract that I want to upload the purchase contract, and I have uploaded. Now I have to select this button upload. As you can see that the document has been uploaded. So in this way, we have uploaded a purchase contract. And as an appraiser as now the appraiser can upload the appraisal report, there will be no delay. This is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.